Hello and welcome to WordPress Insights with Sophy. WordPress Insights is a series of videos that will contain essential tips that we hope will make the experience of editing your website an easy one. Before we get started, please give this video a like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get informed when our next tip is live. Comment down below if you have any questions about our topic today or if you need your question about WordPress answering. In today's video, we're going to take a look at linking documents on your website. Before we get started, you'll need to have the document you'd like to link ready. The type of document I'm talking about is really in the PDF format. This is ideal for on the web as it is viewable in a browser without a visitor having to download a file, which for security reasons is much more preferable. So firstly, we're going to go to the media library. Here you can upload the document you'd like to link. In my case, I'd like to choose our cookie policy, which is already uploaded. I'm going to select this by left clicking on the item. Now I'm going to highlight and copy the link as shown here. Now that I have my link, I'm going to navigate to the page I'd like to add this onto. In my case, it's a blog we published recently about cookies. With the editor open, I'm going to scroll to the bit I'd like to add the link in and type my text. Now I will highlight the text and click on this paperclip icon, which allows us to add a link. I'll paste the link that we have copied, and before I press OK, I will click on this cog symbol and choose Open in a New tab. This ensures that visitors don't lose your website after visiting links. After I press update, we can now visit the live page and see our change has worked. What if you'd like to add a PDF link within the menu? Well, we have our link copied, so let's head over to Appearance and then Menus. Now let's scroll down to see Custom Links, add in our text, paste in our link and press Add to Menu. I'll drag and drop this until it's in the correct location. I'll just put it as a sub-menu underneath Tutorials. We need to choose the option of opening in a new tab, but sometimes that option is hidden. So, to make it appear, scroll to the top and click on Screen Options, then click on Link Target, and then scroll back down to the menu and you'll see a checkbox has appeared. Check this and then press Save Menu. And now if we go to the front of the site, we can see that this has worked. We hope this video has helped you with your WordPress website. Please give this video a like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. For further information or to get the most out of your WordPress website, please get in touch with us via our website, beechwebservices.co.uk, by phone 01925 387 040 or by email info@beechwebservices.co.uk. Thank you and we hope to see you next time.